drop an egg into the sink. It's a cheap method that works better than store-bought cleaners. Everyday products can turn into something surprisingly powerful. Grab a medium-sized bowl and crack one egg into it. Use a spoon to separate the egg white from the yolk. For this trick, you'll only need the white. Once separated, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl. Dish soap contains surfactants that break down grease and lift away dirt. Mix thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and slightly foamy. Pour it directly into the sink. This unusual combination works thanks to the natural properties of egg white and the cleaning agents in the soap. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively dissolves grease and buildup. Next, pour in about half a cup of vinegar, which acts as a natural solvent. Finish with about 1 cup of hot water to activate the solution faster. Wait a few minutes, then watch the sink clean itself. This home trick not only gets rid of stubborn grime, but also repels pests and helps keep your kitchen fresh and clean.